Hi there, welcome to Troubleshoot Me. Today we have Troubleshoot with Windows 10 Mail app. When we have to link our Gmail account to Windows Mail app, sometime error code will appear. This is causes few reasons. Sometimes firewall blocks URLs. Or antivirus software is blocking those web addresses, also sometimes cause of our copy of Windows operating system. To fix this issue we need to do simple setup in Mail app. Go to your Mail app and click on Setting icon, then select Manage Account option. Accounts to log box will appear. Scroll down and select Advanced Setup. Then select Internet Mail option. Now fill given form by using details in description section. At first, enter your email address in your email address field, like troubleshoot@gmail.com. Next, email username is first part of your email address, without @gmail.com. Then, enter your email login password correctly. Account name is your display name in email app. Next, your sender name of email messages. In the incoming email server address field, enter imap.gmail.com:993. And select account type as IMAP4. In the outgoing email server field, enter smtp.gmail.com:465. Rest of all will be same, no need to uncheck them. Now scroll down and click on Sign In button. In next page you will see messages as your account was set up successfully. Finally select your email account from account list. And refresh mailbox to load new emails. Okay, that's all. If this troubleshoot helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and if you have any doubt please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.